Hello again, everyone. Imagine drinking just one simple cup of juice in the morning and setting off a cascade of changes in your body. Changes so powerful, they could be the key to transforming your blood flow, your energy, your brain, and even how you age. This isn't a fad and it's not hype. It's about beet juice, my day. And what happens when you drink it first thing in the morning? Before we explore how this humble red root might hold the secret to unlocking your body's peak performance, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to continue creating health content that empowers and inspires. Let's dive into what makes beet juice a morning powerhouse, how it affects your body, especially for seniors, and what potential irreversible changes can take place when it becomes part of your daily ritual. Why beet juice? Beets have been around for thousands of years, and for good reason. They're rich in essential vitamins and minerals, like folate, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and iron. But what really makes beets stand out is something called nitrates, natural compounds that convert to nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps expand blood vessels, improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and even support cognitive function. And when you consume beet juice in the morning, when your body is in a fasted, absorbent state, the effects are often more noticeable and over time more lasting. Let's break it down. Number 1, blood pressure that stays lower naturally. Multiple studies have shown that beet juice can significantly reduce blood pressure, not just for a few hours, but consistently when consumed regularly. For seniors especially, this is a game changer. Beet juice encourages vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels. Thanks to its high nitrate content, this reduces the resistance your heart has to work against, easing strain on the cardiovascular system. What does that mean for you? Fewer spikes, more stable readings, and possibly reduced dependency on medications over time. With your doctor's guidance, of course. The boost 2, better brain function and mental clarity. Beet juice doesn't just boost blood flow to your muscles, it also enhances circulation to your brain. Improved cerebral blood flow has been associated with sharper cognition, quicker reaction times, and better memory retention. In one study involving older adults, those who drank beet juice daily showed increased brain activity in areas linked to decision-making and memory. So when we say irreversible, we mean a gradual restructuring of how your brain functions, enhanced clarity that becomes your new normal. 3, more oxygen to muscles and greater endurance. Here's a fascinating fact. Drinking beet juice has been linked to improved muscle oxygenation during exercise, particularly in fast-twitch muscle fibers responsible for power and strength. This makes beet juice especially useful for seniors who are trying to maintain muscle strength and avoid frailty. Whether you're walking, cycling, doing yoga, or gardening, beet juice helps your muscles perform better with less fatigue. Over time, this can result in stronger legs, better balance, improved stamina, and a more active, independent lifestyle. 4, natural detoxification and liver support. Beets contain a compound called betaine, which helps support liver function. The liver is your body's primary detox organ, and it thrives when it receives the right kind of support. Regularly drinking beet juice may help the liver process fats more efficiently, remove toxins from your bloodstream, and support bile production for healthy digestion. If you've ever dealt with sluggish digestion, fatigue, or brain fog, this could be part of your solution. 5, anti-inflammatory benefits that build over time. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of many age-related conditions: arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. The pigments in beets, known as betalains, have potent anti-inflammatory properties. When consumed consistently, especially in the early hours when your body is primed for absorption, these compounds begin to lower systemic inflammation. The result? Fewer aches, less stiffness, and a body that moves more freely, without you even realizing how much better you've started to feel until one day it's just your new normal. 6, improved digestive health. Beet juice also contains natural dietary fiber and compounds that stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and stomach acid. This is particularly important for seniors, whose digestion tends to slow down with age. Better digestion means more efficient nutrient absorption, fewer gas and bloating issues, and more regular elimination, all crucial for feeling light and energized throughout the day. Number 7. Supports healthy weight and blood sugar control. While beet juice has natural sugars, it also contains compounds that help regulate insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose spikes when consumed in moderation. This means you may experience fewer cravings, improved satiety, and better energy throughout the day. Combined with a balanced breakfast, beet juice can be a valuable tool in managing weight and supporting a healthy metabolism. To rate skin glow and anti-aging effects. It's not just internal health. Your skin reflects what's going on inside. The antioxidants and vitamins in beet juice promote collagen production, reduce oxidative damage, and improve blood flow to the skin. Over time, this leads to a noticeable glow, fewer fine lines, and a smoother texture. Your skin becomes another reflection of your revitalized health. How to drink it the right way. Now, drinking beet juice is powerful, but timing, quantity, and preparation matter. Best time, first thing in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach. Amount, about 4 to 6 ounces is enough to begin with. How often? Start with 3 to 4 times a week and work up to daily, if tolerated well. Optional add-ins, a splash of lemon for flavor and added vitamin C, or a slice of ginger for anti-inflammatory benefits. Who should be cautious? Beet juice is generally safe, but there are a few precautions to consider. Kidney stones. If you're prone to oxalate-based stones, check with your doctor. Low blood pressure. Beet juice lowers blood pressure, so monitor if you're already on medication. Beeturia, harmless, but it can turn your urine or stool reddish. Just a heads up, adding beet juice to your morning doesn't just hydrate you, it primes your body for the day ahead. The cumulative effects from stronger circulation, clearer thinking, better energy, improved digestion, to a glowing appearance are what make this drink a true game changer. It's not a miracle cure, but with consistency, it can lead to long-lasting, powerful transformations that feel, yes, irreversible. All from one humble cup each morning.